In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Pinterest to your Squarespace website. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to start by opening your Squarespace account. So go ahead, pull up your preferred web browser and log into your Squarespace account. If you don't have an account yet, it's a straightforward process to create one. Just follow the prompts and you'll be ready to go in no time. Once you've logged in, navigate to the specific website you wish to connect with Pinterest. If you manage multiple sites on Squarespace, make sure you're in the correct one. This step is crucial because you want to ensure that the Pinterest content will be linked to the right place. Now let's take a closer look at the menu options on the left side of your Squarespace dashboard. You'll need to find the section labeled Settings. Click on that, and then search for the option called Connected Accounts. This is where we'll be linking your Pinterest and Squarespace accounts together. Once you are in the Connected Accounts panel, look for a button that says Connect Account. Go ahead and click that. You'll see a list of social platforms, and you simply need to select Pinterest from that list. This might take a moment, but bear with me. Next, you'll be prompted to log into your Pinterest account. If you are already logged in, Squarespace might just ask for permission to connect with Pinterest. If you're not logged in, enter your Pinterest credentials, your email and password to access your account. Once you're in, there will be a permissions window that pops up, asking you to allow Squarespace to access your Pinterest account. Here, you should click the Allow button to authorize the connection. This gives Squarespace the permissions it needs to interact with your Pinterest account. Now, here's an important step. If you want to make sure that content from your Squarespace is automatically published to Pinterest, you'll need to enable the Show Push option. This feature allows you to share blog posts or products directly to Pinterest with just a few clicks. If you're planning to frequently pin your Squarespace content, this option can really streamline that process. As you're looking through these settings, you'll also need to select your Pinterest board as the push target. This is where you choose the specific board on Pinterest where your Squarespace content will be saved. It's a simple drop-down menu where you can select the appropriate board that matches your content. After you've made all these selections, your final step is to click the Save button. Give it a moment, and just like that, your Pinterest account is now connected to your Squarespace website. What a breeze, right? Now you're all set to start sharing your beautiful Squarespace content on Pinterest. Whether it's blog posts, product pages, or whatever else you have, connecting these two platforms can really help in boosting your visibility online and reaching a broader audience. Thank you for joining me today. I hope this guide has been helpful and straightforward. If you have any questions or need further clarification, please feel free to drop a comment below. And again, if you found this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Happy pinning and good luck with your Squarespace site.